Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my another video. I hope that you all are well. So today my topic is about startup mining. So our dogs phase 2 startup mining has been already started. So for joining it, simply click launch. Then there are startup mining in the second option. Simply click on it. After clicking on it, you will come in this page. Then simply scroll down. From here you can see that in ongoing time there are Toshi startup mining, there are dogs phase 2 startup mining, and also there are dogs phase 1 startup mining. So I already made a video about it, you can check out the video. So now I will show that how to join in dogs phase 2 startup mining. So simply click on it. So this is our dogs 2 phase 2 startup mining. So simply after coming in here you can stake. Simply minimum staked amount is 3000 dogs. Simply stake 3000, and if you want to stake 5000, simply write the amount in here. The minimum amount is 3000 dogs. So after write the amount, simply click confirm. Your stake will done. So every hour you will get reward from here. In this point, in my rewards option, you can see your rewards, and you can also see your reward history from here. So after clicking on it, you can see the list. It's been reward list in reward history. So hopefully you are understand that, and you can also join this Toshi startup mining. So first join this startup mining, and especially join this dogs phase 2 startup mining. Thank you so much guys for watching my video.